You're getting ready to take your Social Security early. Early means anytime prior to your full retirement age. And you're worried because you're going to get a payout from your job from your unused vacation days. And, you were excited because you were going to get $20,000, which is always cause for excitement, right? And a chunk of money, except you're worried that now it's going to exceed your Social Security earned income limit. And for this year, that's $23,400. And you're going to get $20,000 of vacation pay. So now you can't work your part-time job. Or if you do, you're going to go over that Social Security earned income limit. And for every $2 you go over it, they're going to start reducing your Social Security by $1. So you don't want to get in this situation. You're not. The good news is vacation days, when they pay you out after you retire, that's for work you did years ago while you were working. Your Social Security earned income limit pertains to work you're doing now, once you start to draw your Social Security. So, you get this check from your employer, and what do? So you might have to explain it to the Social Security Administration if they try to reduce your Social Security, and just say this is a special wage payment. This is how they categorize it. If you want to learn more about it, go to ssa.gov and type in special wage payments or type in vacation days, and it can set your heart at ease. Yeah, you can still work your part-time job. The money you get from your paid out vacation days is not going to count against the money you can earn this year. Your earned income limit is impacted by work you do this year, wages this year, not your passive stuff. And I have a lot of videos that talk about the difference passive income versus active income. Active income, work you do this year, is limited. When you exceed it, that's when your Social Security is reduced. But this guy won't be a problem for you. If you learned something today, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.